Hey, just wanted to follow up on the easiest way to get papers from PubMed into Elicit. And it's essentially a two-step process, which is first from PubMed, take all the papers you want and export them into EndNote. And from EndNote, take those papers, export them as an RIS file, RIS, and put those into Elicit. And I'll show you how to do that. So here on PubMed, we've done our search. We have some papers that we want to pull over. And so the easiest way to do that is to click on Send To, and then Citation Manager. And by default, you'll export all the papers on the page, but you can click into it and choose a selection as well if you'd like. We'll click on Create File, and it'll create an NBIB file. I've downloaded a couple before just to test it out, but here it's like really just the NBIB file is the most important, and you'll only see one in your case. At this point, we're done with PubMed. We'll switch over to EndNote. In EndNote, what you need to do is you need to click into Imports in the File menu, and then you'll see the NBIB files that you downloaded. We'll click on one of those. The important thing is there'll be some options that you need to click into, and make sure that the import option says PubMed NLM. It will not say this by default. It will say PDF file or folder, so you'll need to click into it. And if you don't see PubMed in the initial menu, you'll need to click into Other Filters and search for PubMed, and click on the PubMed NLM file format. At that point, you should be good. You'll click Import. You'll see all the files, or all the papers should populate. Now what we need to do is get this into the export format of RIS so we can put it into Elicit. So the way we do that is we just select them all. We'll click on the Export button. I'm going to call this, PubMed, just as a file name. And what we need to do here is choose the output style. By default, it will say something else, maybe annotated. What you need to do is you need to click into that, and then click on, if you don't see RIS in the menu, again, click into Select Another Style, and search for it, RIS, export that, and then save. So now it's in the RIS format. There's a slight wrinkle that we will need to address, and I'll show you that right now, which is that this is the file we exported, pubmed.txt. It's a TXT file, so you just need to double click into it and make it a RIS file. Once we've done that, now we can switch over to Elicit and pull it into Elicit. So let's go there. I'm going to start my systematic review. And I'm going to upload my sources. So I click into this, choose the file, which is the PubMed RIS file that I just created. It's going to extract the papers from the RIS file, and then also we'll go out and find any of the PDFs that we can that are available online for all those references you import. So whenever you do operations, you'll have the full text as well, hopefully. And then it should be in there. It'll also be in your library if you want to use it in other places in Elicit, but then you can use it wherever you want. Thanks.